Oh, that was a solid thump. Wow, that was an aggressive take. That's big. Well, good morning, everybody and/or anybody. Chris with Make Time for Fishing here. I'm out on a new body of water today. I had an inkling to do a little bit of lure fishing today, so I'm gonna be going for everything and/or anything. We'll see what happens. But anyway, let's get to fishing. Thank you so much and enjoy. I just got thumped. Uh-oh. Wow. I don't know if I've ever experienced a bite like this right now. It's just every cast. It's just every cast. All right, switching it up at this point. I need to be able to cover water a little bit quicker. I'm using an 1/8 of an ounce jig head. I think it's a Texas eye jig, if I remember correctly, paired up with a 3.5 inch Z-Man. Color is recommended to me by the people over at Hadrill's Point. So oh, that was the first cast I got hit. So I was going to say any fish I catch on it, it's big thanks to them. I just got hit on the first cast. Yep, I got the trout. Nice. First trout of the day. Pretty decent one. Pretty decent one. If I can just get my net out. It's probably a keeper. Small keeper, but maybe 16. Good start. And this time of year, you can really find the trout stacked up. And I'm still not using any Procure. Right now I don't need it, apparently. Wow, that was an aggressive take. Little tiny guy, hammered it though. It's an aggressive take. Nope, that would be a trout. Thought I was getting hit. That was cool. Pretty decent trout too. Quick look at him, let him go. Probably a little 16-incher. Get that Procure on. Now let's try as an experiment, casting in the exact same spot I just was. See if all of a sudden someone's interested. Nice. Felt that thump. That one's not bad. Oh yeah, this one might be my best trout so far. Oh yeah, definitely my best trout. Look at him with the half a tail. Let's target the mouth of this little creek here. See if I can find any more. Just popping it off the bottom right now. Surprised I haven't found a flounder yet, actually. There we go. Another trout. similar size to the last one. Maybe a little, yeah, no, he's smaller than the last one. All right, still throwing that 1/8 ounce jig head with the 3.5 inch paddle tail. I think it's been about 3 hours, maybe 3 hours 15 that I've been out here. Last hour to hour 15 has been very quiet. Started out super well, and since then it's been just slowing down quite a bit. I haven't seen nearly as much fish activity, and there are a lot more boats on the water now. I don't know if that's why, but it doesn't feel like it's helping anything. This is where I was first starting to catch trout right here. Gonna try to see if I can find a few, or even one. One would be great right now. Oh. Anyway, as I was saying. Wet my hand. Just a little one, but broke the wall there. He was up close to the grass too. May try the Ned rig. Plus, if they're little trout like this, it'll be more fun using the Ned rig anyway. Oh, that was a solid thump. Wow, this might be a decent trout. Oh, nice. That's a solid one. Oh man, that's all right. Got the fight out of him. Almost scooped him on the net. Man, he hammered that too. That was just straight retrieve with the paddle tail. Nothing to that one. Let's throw on the Ned rig. Even though I'm getting bit so much, that little sharp hook might help me keep them on a little better. Shouldn't be hard to do because, yeah, really not sticking the landing right now. As many as I hooked over here. Let's try actually Ned rigging this. And by that I mean fishing it like a Ned rig. Popping it off the bottom, letting it sit. There's one. And as expected, more fun on the ultralight. Ooh, might lose this guy. Nope, that's a decent trout. Wet the hand. It's a pretty trout croaking on me. Let's put some Procure on this, just to spice things up a little bit. All right, now we should really be in business, hopefully. Something the Procure really helps with is once the fish do bite, helps them hold on for a bit. Ooh. That feels like a decent one. Oh yeah, that's a solid trout. Okay, stay down. If I can help it, I don't want to lose you. Nice. It's probably the better trout today. Not a monster, but I'll get a quick picture with him. Wet my hands here. Nice meaty, I don't know. Not a big trout. Ooh. God, I forget how slick trout are. He's gone. Not a big trout is what I was gonna say. Probably 17 and a half or so, but one of the bigger ones today. Let's keep going. They're biting like crazy right now. Yeah, that was a little shallower than I wanted, but could still be over there. Oh. Wow, that's another solid one. About the same size as that last one. Man, they're stacked right now. This is fun. That right in the roof. All right, let's keep going. Try a couple more casts with the Ned rig, and then I'll switch to maybe the paddle tail. Pretty good one. Oh no, that's a good one. That's a good one. Look at that guy in the clear water like that. Come on, come on. Nice. That's a good trout. Wow. Look at him. All right, maybe I won't be changing just yet. Oh. That's probably the biggest trout of the day so far. Man, they're hard to hold on to. I always forget about how slippery they are. Which isn't saying a whole lot because I'm not catching monsters, but I have caught a lot of them. The Ned rig in his mouth. I'm gonna measure him just to see. So he went 43 centimeters. That still might only be like a 17 incher, but good fish. I don't catch trout very often, so I'm having fun today catching this many of them. Thank you, buddy. All right, so it has been about 3.5 hours and the bite is back on. I was about to switch from the Ned rig, but after that good fish, I'm not switching it yet. That's a pretty good trout. All right, let's get a look at this guy. Another chunky one. Good looking fish, about cookie cutter for the keeper sizes I've been getting. Wonder how many trout I have caught today. It's definitely a lot. Oh, wow. That's another solid trout. That might be bigger than the last one. It's a pretty fat trout. Nice. Whew. It's been a long time since I've targeted trout, but I'm having fun today, especially when they're biting like this. Thinking this guy's a little bit bigger. Yeah, this is my new biggest for the day, 45 centimeters, so still not a 20 or anything really big to write home about, but it's a fun fish, especially on the ultralight. This is a good time. The second they stop biting though, I'll probably get out because I've already had a day and a half in terms of numbers. No giants, but no dull time either. This is exactly how I'd want to spend my day off from work. I think there's some fish right here. It might just be more of those little pinfish or whatever they are. That's not a pin. Smaller one. Still another beautiful fish, wow. Cold fish too. Let's put a little more Procuron. Again, I don't think it's making or breaking my day because I caught a whole bunch earlier before I had the Procuron, but I have it, and if I don't want the bite to stop, I might as well try everything I have at my disposal, you know? Like that. I don't think this one's as big. No, it's not bad though. It's probably another keeper. Pretty fish. Look at that yellow mouth. So some people call them yellow mouths, and that's why. So let's say 3 more casts with the Ned rig, then I'll retire it. Because I was getting bit pretty well on the paddle tail for the trout earlier. And maybe that'll help me because I can fish it a little bit quicker. Cover water quicker too. This will be my last cast here. That's big. That's big. No, it's not huge, but it's a good one. They're solid little trout. This one's kind of pale looking, I think. All right, that buys me 1 more cast with the Ned rig. Okay, my GoPro just died and I only realized after I released a nice 18-inch trout. Not sure how many of those you might have missed, but that's all right. I'm sure plenty of them were on film and you get the general gist. Bite was on today, it's beautiful. Mid-November, it's 72 and sunny. I mean, you can see how calm it is. The water is perfectly flat. Beautiful, beautiful day. I hope we get more of them, but I know we got some cold, rainy, windy days ahead of us coming this winter, but I'm hopelessly addicted to sheep's head fishing, and so I'm sure you'll see me back doing that next video, but I hope you guys enjoyed the break and a little bit of a mix-up. I will be doing more lure fishing come the winter. Again, thank you all for watching. I appreciate every one of you. If you made it this far and you did enjoy the video and you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. It helps me out a lot. I'll see you next time, and remember to make some time for fishing. Bye.